Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are looking at a coach that is the perfect entry point for a family wanting to get into the Class C lifestyle without sacrificing quality. This is the 2017 Jayco Redhawk 29XK. This unit only has 39,000 miles on the odometer, which means it has plenty of adventures left to give. Measuring in at 32 feet, it sits on the heavy-duty Ford E450 chassis. But what really makes this Jayco stand out is the JRide Package. Most Class Cs can feel a bit boaty on the highway, but Jayco includes a computer-balanced driveshaft, front and rear stabilizer bars, Hellwig helper springs, and rubber isolation mounts. This combination drastically improves the handling and makes those long stretches of interstate much more relaxing for the driver. As we walk the passenger side, you'll notice the 12-volt electric patio awning that provides instant shade for your campsite. One of the best features of this 29XK floor plan is right here at the back, a huge pass-through rear basement storage compartment. You usually only see storage like this on much larger Class A coaches, so having this much room for your gear in a 32-foot Class C is a massive advantage. Throughout the exterior, you'll see the quality that Jayco is known for. You've got the rear backup camera and monitor for easy parking, a 7,500-pound trailer hitch for your boat or car, and even 12-volt heated holding tank pads for those colder mountain mornings. This Redhawk is engineered for versatility and ease of use. We are going to finish up our walk around the driver's side so you can see the enormous slide-out before we head inside to see how this layout can comfortably sleep 6 people. Settling into the cockpit, you are backed by the power of the Ford Triton 6.8-liter V10 engine. It's pumping out 305 horsepower and 420 foot-pounds of torque. Paired with the Ford TorqShift 6-speed automatic transmission, you've got a reliable powertrain that is easy to service anywhere in the country. The seats are comfortable for those long-haul days, and having that backup monitor right in your line of sight makes navigating tight fuel stations a breeze. Stepping through the side entrance, you can immediately see the impact of that enormous slide-out. The 29XK floor plan feels wide open and incredibly spacious. Jayco did a great job with the interior design here, using neutral tones and durable materials that are perfect for a traveling family. From the 15,000 BTU ducted AC to the 31,000 BTU furnace, this cabin is designed to keep you comfortable in any climate. It's an inviting space that feels much larger than its 32-foot footprint suggests. The kitchen is fully equipped to handle family meals on the go. You have a gas and electric refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop, and a microwave convection oven for added versatility. The residential sink and faucet provide plenty of room for cleanup, and there is a surprising amount of counter space for meal prep. The cabinetry is solid and provides great storage for all your pantry items, making it a very functional galley for the serious camp cook. Look up at the cab over bunk. This is one of the best in the industry. It features a full headboard and carries an impressive 750-pound weight rating. Most bunks are limited, but this one is sturdy enough for adults or several kids. You also have a 32-inch TV right here on a movable mount, so you can watch your favorite shows from the bunk or the living area. In the living area, we have a great social setup. You've got 2 plush recliners that are perfect for relaxing after a long day of adventure. Directly across is the convertible booth dinette. This serves as your dining hub, but easily transforms into an additional bed when you have guests. It's a smart layout that prioritizes both comfort and sleeping capacity for up to 6 people. Moving toward the back, we find a very clean middle bathroom setup. The shower is located on the passenger side and features a big enclosure with glass doors and a skylight. That skylight provides a lot of natural light and gives you that extra bit of headroom you want in a Class C. Welcome to the master bedroom. This is a private sanctuary at the rear of the coach featuring a comfortable queen-sized bed. You have a dedicated wardrobe closet and plenty of drawer storage for all your clothing and travel essentials. There is also a second 32-inch TV already installed back here, so you can unwind and watch a movie in bed. Large windows provide great ventilation, and the layout gives you enough walk-around space to make the bed easily in the morning. It's a quiet, cozy room that ensures you get a great night's rest before the next leg of your journey. Directly across from the shower is your private water closet. Inside, you have a toilet, a sink, and a vanity with a mirror, along with a power vent fan to keep the air moving. Having the toilet and sink in a private room while the shower is separate is a huge benefit for families, allowing two people to get ready at the same time. It's a smart, efficient use of the middle bath layout. As we walk back through the living room, you can really appreciate how fluid this floor plan is. From the kitchen to the cockpit, everything is within easy reach. For off-grid power, don't forget we have an Onan 4-kilowatt generator with only 135 hours of use. Combined with the 1,000-watt inverter, you are fully prepared for dry camping or rest stop breaks. The 29XK is truly a get-up-and-go machine that doesn't compromise on the comforts of home. This 2017 Jayco Redhawk 29XK is a fantastic find for any family. To recap, you're looking at a 32-foot Class C with only 39,000 miles, a 750-pound bunk capacity, and the legendary JRide handling package. If you want to see this coach in person or have any specific questions, we'd love to hear from you. You can give us a call at 864-260-9276 or send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see more photos and the full specification sheet. Thanks for joining us for this tour at Porter's RV Sales. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.